So I decided to do the unboxing of the Donner VPM-10 wireless lapel microphone. And the sound that you're hearing now is from the transmitter. The receiver is in the iPhone. So unboxing right now. Ooh, a nice case by Donner. They always have good packaging. This is a nice durable case with the Donner logo on the front. I'm gonna unzip this. You can kind of hold that with your finger if you want. If you were walking about with it, trying to get around with it. So I'm gonna unzip it and show you the contents inside the gray bag. So you have, of course, your charging cables, which are USB-C to USB, plugs into the receiver transmitter to charge. Then you have your windscreens. They generously gave you two, one for each of the transmitters. And then finally, the instruction manual, so that you can get abreast to the things that are there. At the start of the show is the case that carries the receiver, and you'll see shortly the two transmitters. The case itself has the Donner logo and charging port USB-C on the back. When you plug it up, it will allow you to charge the case. So the case will charge the transmitters up. Be sure to take the labels on the bottom off that allow them to make contact with the bottom of the case. Once the case is fully charged, it'll be four blue lights. So for each of the receivers or transmitters, excuse me, that you see here, that part right there goes into your iPhone, and you're able to plug it in. If you have a case that kind of sticks out below on your iPhone, you may want to take that case off. That works best. So I'm going to put everything back in and get this charged up. But what you are hearing now is the sound from the transmitter from the Donner VPM-10 Lavalier mic.